Hello everyone, welcome to part 6 of Laravel MongoDB tutorial, and we will continue working on the CRUD operations, in which we will cover the create, read, update and delete operations. And in this video we are going to get data from MongoDB to show in our Laravel website. Okay, so in the last video we have seen that we able to insert the data into the MongoDB. Okay, so here I'm going to show you once again that we have created the post collection in the last video, and we able to insert some of the documentation in some of the documents in post collection, you can see. Okay, so now we are going to show these articles, these posts in our website. Okay, so see, this is the form to post. In the last video we have done this, we able to submit it. Okay, like one more post I'm going to add here. See, I will open the laravel.com website once again to get some post from there. Okay, so from here I'm going to post, and it will then get posted here in the post collection that we have also created in the last video. Okay, so let's see. Sorry, laravel.com, I think it's wrong. Okay, so this is Laravel website, and here like if I will just copy this one, I will add it here, and here this is the content. I will copy this one as well, and will paste here. Click on submit and see post added successfully. And here like you can go in any other collection, and after that you will come back and you can see the posts are here. Okay, so now we want to show the post uh, in our application, in our Laravel application, in Laravel website. Okay, and for that, see, we are already having the post controller here, that is the resource controller that we have created. So the benefit of the resource controller, that we just require one route. Okay, so there is just one route, and that will work as create, read, update and delete. So this one particular route is for all purpose. Okay, is for the create, is for the read, is for the update, is for the delete. Okay, so you are not required to create separate route for all the operations. Okay, so that is the benefit that will save our time and effort. And now what we are going to use, we are going to use this index function to show all the posts. Okay, so here I am going to write the Laravel query. Laravel query is same like we have done with the MySQL. Okay, so it's the same, like we will use the post method. Post method is already connected with the MongoDB. Okay, so I will use the get, then we'll convert it to array as well. You can simply use if you don't want to use array, then it's your wish, then you can simply use the get up till get here. Okay, so I'm going to return this one. I'm going to create the new blade file under post. Okay, return view, and under post folder I'm going to create one file that with the name show. Okay, show, or with the name display, anything. So here I will just send these posts there with compact, and here I am going to send this post. Okay, so we can check once that whether the posts are coming here correctly. dd do and die is for debugging okay, the array. Okay, so we can check once, and here if we will open it, like I will not give anything, just display like this, then it will show you all the posts. All the three posts are coming here. You can see we have added three, and all the three are coming from the MongoDB. Okay, from the MongoDB collection posts, so it's fine. So we can just simply comment this one, and now we are going to create the show.blade.php file at the same place where we have the create.blade.php file under the post. You can see this file is located under the post. So I'm going to save this file, and will save it with the show, this time show.blade.php. Okay, so it will save time. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to modify some of the here some of the content here, like add new post. Instead of this one, I'm going to add here the post, and this one is not required at all. This form is also not required. I'm going to remove this form completely. Okay, so here I'm going to add one table. Okay, I'm going to add one table here. Okay, so inside table I'm going to add like t head I can add. Okay, so under t head I will add tr as well, and under tr I am going to add, here we want to show title, description and add-on. Okay, so sorry, so here just th. Okay, so here I am going to have the title, and here description, and here added on. Okay, when the post is added on, so that thing, and I'm going to copy this one once again, and here I'm going to add one t body. Okay, and I'm going to close this one, and here I'm going to paste once again, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the tr. Okay, sorry, td, like this, and here I'm going to add the for each loop here, for each loop, to show the all the posts, dollar post as dollar post. So all the posts will come up here, and for each dollar post title. So here we are going to add description, and here we are going to add character add. So check once if posts are coming here in the correct format. Here you can see the posts are coming. See, table is here, we are showing all the posts here. Okay, title, description, add-on is also here in th. Okay, so here what we are going to do, we are going to show the post in data table. Okay, we will add the data table here so that our post will be shown in a better way. Okay, so that will really beneficial for us to show the details in data table. Okay, so I'm going to pick one of the example there, and here I can show the basic style. See, I'm going to show this one. So here these are the files that we are required to include, and other than this, see the css also. So here is the file, that is the app dot, I think app.js, app.blade, I think app.blade.php. This is the file that is we are required to update, app.blade.php file. Yeah, so here we are going to add uh, the path, like this js we are going to add. Okay, so here we are going to add here script, simply source, and this one uh, okay, and one more. Other than this, we are going to add the css as well. Okay, and also we are going to add this one, but we are going to add in some another way that we have already added in Laravel e-commerce series. Table we are using from a long time. Okay, dollar data function, sorry, function, dollar function, like this, and here see, whatever table I'm going to give some id here, table id post, like this, and here post I'm going to use here dollar id as post, and I'm going to call the data table, like this. Okay, so I'm going to check here once. Let's see. See, the dart table has come up here. You can see the search option is here, title, description, and add-on. You can see that you can do all these kind of things in this dart table, and also see few things we can add here in table so that our see this class and width. Okay, so that will display the table in a more in a proper way. Proper formatting will get added. Okay, so still I think because it is inside some other div, so that's why. But now see, we able to see all the content are also date for format we can change. Change date format in sorry change date format in PHP, format in PHP. So this one, okay. So now we're going to check. Here you can see date is also now in a proper format, but still we can see that here I think we are required to increase this one. Now it looks better, but here the spacing, see, we can take the width here like style width, we can take it like 20%, and 20% for added on as well. See, now it looks even better. Okay, so now you can see, and title and id. See, id is, there is no id here. You can see the id is in some other form. Okay, so it is not necessary to give the id here. Id is in some secure way. Okay, id is added in MongoDB in some secure way, no, not like 1 2 3 4 like in MySQL database. Okay, so you can see the title, description, and add-on is coming here in data table, and we are able to show the data from the MongoDB in our Laravel application. Okay, and see, the benefit of this data table is that you can simply sort the content, okay, like you want, and also you can able to search like whatever content you will search, that that particular thing will come up here, and also paging is also here. Okay, so the main thing is that we able to show the data added in our MongoDB. Okay, and we able to show that data in our Laravel application. So that is the major thing that we have done in this video. So in the next video, what we are going to do, we are going to update the data. Okay, we will add one update link here with every content, and we are going to click on that link, then the form will come, the data will automatically get filled there, and then we can able to update that data. See, CRUD functionality is really important because we want to start the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So before that, we need to know about this CRUD functionality, because CRUD functionality is very important part for every series, whether it is e-commerce, dating, or some other series. These CRUD operations are very important that we are going to use lot. Okay, so that's why we are doing this CRUD operation, and in the next video we are going to work on the update functionality. Okay, so please subscribe as well as join the channel to get the complete source code and with the full support. Okay, you can simply open the Stack Developers YouTube channel and subscribe as well as join the channel. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.